Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 21st of April 2024. I'm going to be going over week 17's results for the option chain based analysis for SPX. As usual, if you are wondering where these predictions are coming from, definitely go view my channel since there are very detailed videos going over the technical option plus just the whole analysis behind where these up and down neutral predictions come from. So definitely go view my channel if you are interested in that. But without further ado, we can see that the prediction was made on the 14th, and these dates are references as to where the videos are. So if you want to check by date, these are this day here on the leftmost column. For the week ending the 19th, we predicted that SPX goes down, which is clearly true, since the week opened at 5,149.67 and closed at 4,967.23. Giving us a weekly P&L of 182.44, which is around 3.54%, bringing our cumulative P&L up to 8.03%, and the SPX's weekly change was minus 3.05%. So the cumulative SPX percent return was 4.54%. So we have a positive 3.49% alpha as of now. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.